I wanted to do a very quick tutorial on how you can edit the models or the body sizes attached to my texture edits. So for a lot of my releases, I did include all of the original textures and models and all that from the original mods, of course, unless the original creators TOS stated otherwise. But that's because I don't like to have two separate mod packs uploaded for one mod if I'm doing an upscale of something or an edit of something, so I just combined it all together. But a lot of upscalers, they will do the model only. Of course, that's out of courtesy, so that way you still bring the attention to the original creator. But I just want to show you how you can edit the model for my texture edits if you like to use my texture edits, but somebody comes out with an upscale of the mod and you want to use the different body type with my textures. So first what we're going to do is we're going to upload the upscale version. This one is model only, so I will only be editing the model, so that means that there's no textures attached. So now that's uploaded, most of my mod packs are advanced mod packs, so if you're using my textures or you want to edit from my textures, you're going to go to mods, create mod pack, advanced, and you're going to click load from, and you're going to import my advanced mod pack. This is going to bring up all the descriptions that you see when you download my mod. I'm not using any of these sizes, so I'm going to delete that to save space because I don't want extra models that I'm not going to be using. I believe 99% of my mods come with this version here of the base, which that includes all the other textures that are attached to the mod itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add the model, the new model, to that base version. That way I don't have to create anything extra. I could just have it all in there. So I'm going to highlight it, click edit, and I'm going to search for the item it's affecting. Click it, go to models. We're going to uncheck include child files because that will include every single, I weirdly had a list there. It's going to include every single texture, materials, everything that's attached to the item, but we only want to upload the model. So we're going to search for the model that says 201. That is for Midlander female bodies. So we're going to click that and add existing because that is the one that we currently have uploaded in Textools. And then we're going to click done. And then now you're going to have all the base textures that you need for the mod, and then now you're also going to have all of my defease edits. Click finished, save it however you want, you could change the name. And simply because it's related and relevant, I also wanted to show you, it's going to be the exact same process, but how you can edit the model into a creator's original mod. So again, a lot of upscalers, they only release the model only. So when you're using the mod in Penumbra, for example, you have to have both mod packs uploaded. But if you want to combine them, this is how you would do it. So first you want to upload the upscaled version. That way it affects the model here. So there's the model. And then you go to mods, create mod pack, advanced mod pack, load from the original mod. So now this is going to include all the different options that the original mod has. So you'll see here, this is a good example because this model has different options. So if you know this mod, it has different styles to the top. So there's the full tank top, it's risen a little bit right here, you can see there, or it's all the way cropped just underneath your boobs. So this way you can include all of the different metadata options that is included, but you can also include the body. So in here, I'm just going to go ahead and edit from here for this example. So I'm going to highlight in these options and then click edit. I'm just going to go ahead and remove all of these. And then this one I'm going to keep, but I'm just going to double click to highlight it and rename it. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to delete the current model that's attached to it because that was one of the tray versions. And now we're going to search for the item it's affecting keep putting two C's, I don't know why, but find that, and then go to models. Again, we're not going to include child files because we only want the model. We don't want to include all textures and materials that are affecting the model currently because those are in different areas already in the advanced mod pack. 201 is female midlaner base bodies, so that's the one we're going to select. Add existing because that's the one that we uploaded into Textools before going into the advanced mod pack. And then done. And then now we have our size, we have our model, we have all the metadata options, and then all the textures that was already included in the original model. And then we're gonna hit finish and save it.